Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Toyota Land Cruiser with a key. First, ensure your vehicle is in a safe, level location. Then, insert your physical key fully into the ignition cylinder. Make sure the transmission is securely in either park or neutral. Now, turn the key clockwise to the on position, allowing the dashboard lights to illuminate. Finally, continue turning the key to the start position to engage the engine. Sometimes your Land Cruiser might not start immediately. First, check your battery. A weak battery is a common culprit. Ensure the steering wheel is not locked, as this can prevent the key from turning. For automatic models, confirm the brake pedal is pressed down firmly. If you hear a rapid clicking sound, it often indicates a low battery or a starter issue. These simple checks can save you time and effort. Proper key and ignition maintenance can prevent future starting problems. Always keep your key clean, as dirt can interfere with the ignition cylinder. Avoid forcing the key if it feels stiff. Gentle pressure is usually sufficient. It is wise to have a spare key programmed and stored safely. Regularly inspect your vehicle's battery terminals for any signs of corrosion, which can hinder power delivery. If your Land Cruiser still refuses to start after these steps, it might be time for professional assistance. If the engine cranks but doesn't catch, you might have a fuel delivery issue. If there's absolutely no power, check your main fuses and battery connections thoroughly. For persistent problems, it is always best to contact a certified Toyota technician. They possess the specialized tools and knowledge to diagnose and fix complex issues safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.